Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram story cutout option not showing. So if there is a feature, one of the filter or effect cannot show on your apps, all you have to do is just close the Instagram and try to hold the icon of your app and go to the application info. Here you can go to the storage and clear cache, and you can go back to the Instagram and let's see if the option is no show. But if there is no or not showing, still not showing, you can go to the Play Store. Then you can go to the search and search for the Instagram app here. Then you can try to update your Instagram. So I hope the some feature or especially the story cutout can be shown now. If not, you can try to delete your data from the app info and relog in. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.